What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I got myself a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL right here in my hand. I have a tech friend that I often do phone swaps with, and I swapped out my Vivo X Fold 3 because he was interested in that device. I like that device, but it just wasn't for me. So I wanted to test and try out the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and he had one. So I hit him up and I was like, hey, what kind of devices do you currently have? And he told me that he had this device and that he was looking for a Vivo X Fold, and he was willing to do the trade. So here we are. I have the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is the 128 gigabyte storage variant, which is fine with me. I don't have to have 256 gigabytes on every device that I have, but I will be trying to make some content about this device, even though it's a little older device. But I'm back with Google right now since I was able to get my hands on this. So far, it does look and feel nice. I like that camera bar that Google tends to put on their devices. As you can see, you get three sensors, I believe. It almost reminds you of iPhone, just the style and how it's set up. But right now I'm getting everything set up on the device so I can run it and see what it's going to be about. We all know Google devices are just stock devices, and that is good for some people. And I'm also currently doing a software update on it right now also, because I just got this today. So just did the swap not too long ago, and I'm going to get it set up and everything, so on and so on. And I'm going to put my Sims in it probably over the weekend and test it out and come back with my thoughts. So yes, I'll be doing some camera comparisons, probably comparing this with the S25 Ultras, which is what I'm recording this video with right now. But I just wanted to get on here to show you guys that I do have Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I will be testing this out and playing with it and giving you my thoughts about it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.